Part 3. Setting up PostLab. When you've got yourself an account on a GitLab server, you're ready to install PostLab. Installing and setting up PostLab requires administrator rights to your computer. Download the application from postlab.app. Open the disk image and drag the application to your applications folder. After that, you can close and remove the disk image. When you open the application for the first time, you might need to right-click the application and then click Open. Then you'll be asked to agree to the license. After that comes the software installation part. PostLab needs Apple's command line tools in order to run. If you haven't installed those yet, you will be asked for this. Unfortunately, this could take a while. Once the software is installed, you'll then be asked for your name, email and phone number. This information is only used to identify your work, so your co-workers know what you've done and how to reach you. Then you are asked to supply your GitLab server details. This could be your own GitLab server or gitlab.com. In this example, we'll use gitlab.com. After that, you will be asked what type of interface you would like. You can choose between using the GitLab website or a PostLab interface. The PostLab interface requires you to create a personal access token. Learn more on how to do that in another video. In this case, we'll choose the default GitLab website. When asked access to your keychain, please fill in the password of the current logged in user and choose Always Allow. Then you are asked to enable GUI scripting for PostLab. PostLab will use this to communicate with Final Cut Pro. When you click Let's Do It, you'll be taken to a System Preferences pane where you must allow PostLab access. After that, you can log into your gitlab.com account. Please make sure you've enabled the Remember Me checkbox. Now you're able to create a new project. Also, make sure you have a look at the preferences to see your different options. In other videos, we'll explain how to use the GitLab or PostLab interface.